Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to increase layout margin in Elementor. As you can see on my screen right now, I am editing a web page of my website using Elementor, and I have just created a section that is grid layout, right? And here in this particular grid layout section, I have just created two columns, and in the first column I have added a container, and in that particular container I have added two widgets, right? The first one is heading widget and the second one is paragraph or text editor, right? Now I want to increase the margin of this particular layout, right? So what we need to do is, like, we just want this heading to go downwards, right? Creating margin, right, in this particular layout. So I have just simply moved my cursor over the heading, and I have just simply moved my cursor over the heading, and when we move our cursor over the heading, then automatically a pen icon appears in the top right corner, right over the heading. So we need to click on that to edit that particular heading. And in the heading, as you can see in the left side toolbar, there are three options: content setting, style setting, and advanced setting. You just need to move to the advanced setting, and in the advanced setting you need to move to the layout setting. And in the layout setting, as you can see, there are four values: top, right, bottom, and left, right? And there is a link value button over there, right? If you click on this, then it gets linked. All values will increase together, right? For example, if I have kept it 0, right, then all values are increasing or decreasing together, right? But if you want to increase the margin from the top, then you just need to delink these value, and for delinking you just need to click on the delink button, right? And then start increasing the top margin, right? And as you can see, the heading is going downwards, right? And for the same, like, if you just want to edit the whole container, right, you just want to increase the margin of the whole container, then you need to edit the container, not the widget, right? And for editing the container, you just need to move your cursor over the container, and you will see a edit container button in the top left corner of that container, right? So I'm going to click on that, the gray box icon, and in the left side toolbar you will again find three kinds of setting: layout setting, style setting, and advanced setting. You need to move to the advanced setting, and in the layout you will find the margin setting, right? And in the margin setting I am again delinking the values, right? So I have clicked on delink button, and now I'm increasing the top margin, right? And as you can see, the whole container is moving downwards. So this is how you can increase the margin of layout in the Elementor. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, then I have added my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I've added my website link in video description. You can simply visit our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.